This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a terrific Lakeview East location just west of Lakeshore Drive and just east of Broadway to tour one of the apartments at Grace Shores. I'm in apartment 214, a bright, sunny studio that's been renovated and that faces south. In the living area, looking at plank flooring, looking at a ceiling fan, and there's a wall-mounted air conditioner. Heading for a kitchen. It's L-shaped. It's good cabinet and counter space. There are white quartz counters, 4-burner gas range, a built-in microwave, dishwasher, and espresso tone cabinetry. Looking back toward the living area and turning toward the entry. It's a wide closet that would have been off to the right as you entered, and 2 additional closets as you head toward the bath. Bath has attractive fixtures and tile, soaking tub, and a wall-mounted medicine cabinet, and a designer light fixture up above. This is a fresh, nicely renovated apartment in a building that has something that's rare for the neighborhood, parking. There's also a fitness room and great proximity to the park and public transit and the mile-long strip of bars, restaurants, and shops along Broadway. Put Grace Shores on your must-visit list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.